Good day mga ka-pop cars, quality cars. May new arrival tayo. Another wow na wow, pop na pop cars quality car. It's a 2025 Mitsubishi Xpander GLS top of the line with only 7,000 kilometers mileage. Guys, sobrang fresh nitong unit na to. Amoy bago pa, literal. Big savings pa kaysa bumili ka ng brand new. May kasama din itong free 3 years registration and updated comprehensive insurance. Davao plate, Davao registered unit, kasa maintained with records, walang issue, gas and go ka na lang. This is a 7-seater MPV na may 1.5-liter gasoline engine kaya sobrang tipid sa gas. New model to guys, so pwede nyo pa to ipasok sa Grab. GLS variant ito ha, so top of the line unit to. Manibela niya same na sa new model Montero, touchscreen head unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Naka-electronic parking brake na din, LED daytime running lights, dual aircon, keyless push start, and many more. By the way, hindi pa nagagamit yung tools nito at saka spare tire, literal brand new pa. PM na dali bago ka pa maunahan. Please like and follow our page Pop Cars Car Sales. We accept car loan financing, cash or trade-in transactions.